Today's baselining day, and I thought I would do a little test. This is the Optiview sitting there on the port. It's auto negotiation, and it says 10 meg, 100 meg, and gig, full or half duplex. And on the console screen, I'm going to hard code this port to 100 meg, and I want to see how the tool behaves. So I'm going to press enter. You'll hear it. There it is, and the tool immediately responds. And if you take a look at the console, you'll see that the port's down, the port's coming up, and if you come back here, you'll see that it says auto negotiate 100 meg, half or full duplex. So in this case, the tool immediately figured it out. You don't need to reboot it, all that kind of nonsense. That's what I'm trying to figure out for this tool's behavior. And now I'm going to go back to speed, and I'm going to put it back to auto. Sorry for the jittery video, I'm holding it by hand. And there you go, enter. And you can see the port's gone down again. Port comes up, auto negotiate, and there you go. So that's how you figure out how your tools behave. You should be doing that all the time so you don't have to guess what it does and how it does it.